we could go many ways. We could put oil in it, get it on top dead center number 1, and then put the distributor in.
I think that needs to be the route that we go.
Or we could start working with the sniper.
Yeah, I would go ahead and let's get the distributor in so we can get all the wiring ran from the distributor. Go ahead and get the spark plug wires hooked up, because then we won't have to worry about that if the EFI just happens to be in the way. Because while we've got all this open space, it's gonna make it a lot easier. So we're gonna throw some. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So I'll go ahead and we'll throw some oil in.
We'll get the starter going and pop this plug out, get it top dead center. I don't know why I can't say top dead center. TDC.
It's all good. But yeah, I think that's going to be our best bet. So let's go ahead and do that.
Moving on to the timing side of things.
No.
No?
Well, yeah, but... Okay, come on. You're right there. I think. I don't know. I really don't. I don't know how close you are.
Does it want to be next? That is the question.
Oh, probably not. They never are.
So what are all these goodies that we got going on here?
I'm just going through what dude has and what we might need. So far, it looks like we're pretty good.
Pretty set.
Pretty set. Pretty set.
That's good.
Should be tack input, direct power input, heat input, and ground. If I remember right.
That doesn't sound bad.
No, and I can probably put the coolant temperature sensor on.
Yeah.
We're back on the Cutlass, trying to get this bad boy running soon. So today, as you can see, the EFI kit has been put on. So we got to get everything wired up and install the new fuel tank. The new in-tank fuel pump that is going to operate with this EFI kit. The Sniper kit did come with an upgraded fuel pump, so we're going to throw that in and get everything running and keep on cranking on this thing to hopefully meet the customers' expectations or even exceed them, as we like to do here. So
That'd be awesome.
y'all check in. We'll be back with you shortly.
What's up, y'all? We're back here with the 69 Cutlass, and the fuel tank has made its way out, and the new fuel pump has made its way in. And these two are actually working on fuel lines right now,
Actually, this is the gear core line there.
or gear core and fuel related stuff.
Alright, so
Or you were at least.
that's going to go there. That's the gear core over there.
Yep.
Alright.
today you're getting the, what would you say this is, the bracket for the radiator?
Yeah, so smaller than factory aluminum radiator. So Caleb before me has cutting it, narrowed it, and since Caleb was with y'all at the dyno, I kind of finished what he started. So I'm just finishing the radiator bracket. I'm gonna do a lot more to it, finalize a lot of stuff, and cut. I gotta actually finish welding that. I gotta make sure stuff fits properly. Like this side over here is hovering over a weld right now. But we'll get there.
We'll get it all figured out.
Yes, yes.
You have a little interior reveal. Let's see what we got going on here.
That would be
my
a good
goodness.
spot right there.
Look at how beautiful this is. Fixing the spacer for the water pump. Yep.
Yeah.
What was the original issue?
Original issue, we have the wrong water pump. Plain and simple, we have the wrong water pump. We have a short snout water pump. We need a long snout water pump. So pulley misalignment. This is our solution. Little spacer, which was the fan spacer off the original fan system, but we're running electric fans, so that won't be needed. Cool. Yep.